Monsoon is here and nothing beats the comforts of something crispy and spicy with a hot cup of tea. In today's episode, we are using just one flavorful masala to prepare two delicious vadas. Batata Vada, the classical Mumbai street snack. Bread Vada, a crispy fusion with a soft filling. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. While it heats, crush 8 garlic cloves, 1 piece of ginger and 2 green chilies in a blender. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to the hot oil. Let them splatter. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 chopped onion, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute until the onion becomes translucent. Add the crushed ginger garlic chili paste. Stir well. Using the hands, crush the baby potatoes and add it. You can also opt for normal potatoes. Mix and mash using a potato smasher. Finish with chopped coriander leaves and transfer them to a plate to allow them to cool. Meanwhile, take a bowl, add 1.5 cup of besan, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of baking soda. Mix with water to form a smooth spoon coating batter. Now set this aside. Now divide the potato mixture into 9 balls. Take 6 slices of bread. Here I have taken brown bread, but you can opt for any variety. Cut it into circle using a vati or bowl. Place a potato ball between 2 slices. Dip the stuffed bread into the besan batter and deep fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip them occasionally. Once done, set them aside. Now use the remaining potato balls to make the batata vadas. Dip it in the besan batter, deep fry till golden and crispy. And there you have it, 2 crispy delights made with one delicious masala. Whether it's soft, spicy batata vada or the crunchy twist of bread vada. These crispy treats are just perfect for a cozy monsoon evening with a cup of tea in hand and the rain tapping gently on your windows. Try it out and let the aroma snip it with the rainy mood. Let me know in the comments which one are you going to try first. If you really enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Taste Buds and Sunita for more home-style treats. Until next time, happy cooking and stay cozy.